Here's the mama. Diamond. Diamond. Hey, mama. Here's one of the puppies. Hey.
That one.
That's the first one that came out, right?
Yeah.
Get his face. Hurry up before my battery dies. Oh, now hurry up. Go get another one. Now these are poodles and Poodlepitt patoodles. My poodle got my pit pregnant, but they look like full-blooded pit. They're gonna be huge too. Look how big their feet are. Look at that. Look at their cute face. Oh, they're so fat. They're only a week and 2 days old. All right. Oh, matter of fact, I want to show you the daddy. Daddy, ugly. Come on, Coach. There's the daddy. No, just leave him be. He needs to get groomed.
He's ugly.
All right, come on. Excuse my kitchen. Isn't it pretty though? But it's dirty. I need to clean my house.
Oh, Mom, go in here.
Oh, shoot. That's right. We gotta get them away from puppies. Come on, Coach. Come on. Let's go. What? What's the matter? Come on. Come on, Coach. Get in there. All right. Sorry about that. Back to the puppies. Yeah, open the door. Here's a couple more. She had a total of 7 of them. Look at him. Look at the marks on this one's face. It's like a heart. Oh, and he has a heart on his head. You can't see it really in the camera, but it looks so cute in person. This one right here, he's half brown and he's got black down his back, but on the sides is brown.
That's
all right.
Cute.
And I'm not even going to try to make money off these puppies because they're pit mix-a-poodle, but I would. I am charging at $50 because just having to take care of them and okay, having to take. Let me see the face of them. Hey, cutie patootie. Okay, and their eyes wide open, but they're only a week and 2 days old. But anyways, I'm charging $50 just because I have to take care of them and clean up after them and everything. But anyways, that's it. Let them get back to. Oh, she's cleaning them. She's such a good mommy. All right, leave her alone. Bye bye. If you wanna talk to me about the puppies, just inbox me or comment on the video. Bye.